Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add pixel code in Shopify. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the old way you used to click onto your online store and then from here you click onto themes. Now inside of themes you'll click on the three dots on your current theme, click on edit code, and you used to be able to do it this way, but they've changed the layout. So this is what the new layout looks, which is I'm pretty certain you already know. So yeah, the new layout looks like this, but there is a quicker way to do this. So come back to your admin.shopify or your Shopify dashboard. Then from here, we want to go in and click onto settings, bottom left hand corner of the page here. Now inside of here, we want to click onto customer events. Now inside of this box here, it's going to say add custom pixel, or you can explore pixel apps. Now the quickest way to do this is go ahead and click on add custom pixel, and now put in your pixel name here. Now give it a name, so I'm just going to type in test and then go ahead and click on add pixel. Now on the next page here, this is where you can input your code. So it's going to say step 1, initiate the JavaScript pixel SDK, make sure to exclude HTML. Then step 2, subscribe to custom events with analytics.subscribe and add tracking analytics.subscribe and all that. So now the quickest way to do this is just to highlight it all and paste in your code.